Hi Gemini Ascendants, how you people are doing? So let me look cards for you as well. That how this week is going to be for the Gemini Ascendant people. So let's take out some cards without wasting time. Okay. So first I will take out the cards from my tarot deck. Two cards. One more. Many cards are coming. I need only one. Okay, I got. Gemini Ascendant also this week is going to be very nice. Ten of Cups, happiness, family, happiness, and happiness. Nine of Pentacles, and if you can see the abundance, how much abundance you're gonna get this week, Gemini Ascendant people. Look at the abundance what you are getting. Ace of Swords, a new start, new beginning in your life is going to come in this week. Okay, bottom of the deck, Ten of Swords. Whatever problems and whatever stress you were facing earlier, that is going to be end, and this is going to be the energy of this week. It is a very beautiful energy. The beautiful cards came for Taurus and for Gemini people. I'm really happy that the cards are coming very good for the people, and as you know that this is the happiest card and happy card, Ten of Cups, family time, happiness and all, and a lot of abundance, new start. What else you need, Gemini, isn't it? A lot of things you are getting. So let me see something from unicorn cards as well, that what is stored for Gemini people. So see, more cards wants to come out, but I need only one. So what is the card? See your card. Feather. This calling card from the unicorns tells you they are near you. See, what else you need? Unicorns are telling that they are near you. Angels are near you. You just need to close your eyes. You have to communicate with yourself. See, for communicating with angels, for communicating with God, for communicating with divine, for communicating with universe, whatever you call it. We don't need to talk to someone else. We don't need to look outside. We need to talk with ourselves. We need to converse with our own self. Then only we will be getting everything. So this card is also telling that unicorns and angels are near you, and you gonna get abundance. This card is also supporting. See, that's why I'm using different decks, so that I can see that whether other cards are supporting it or not. So now you can see that even the unicorn cards are supporting these cards, that everything you're gonna get during this week. Okay, so now let me take out one card from Angels Advice card also. So I will bring one card for you all. See, I got two cards for you people. Two cards have fallen out. I wanted to take out one. So, this same card came for Aries people as well. And the same card is coming for Gemini as well. And along with that, this one more card. So let me read this card. Sorry, this is the first card which you got. So let me read this card out for you, that what is the message from angels for you. Archangel Raziel. I'm extremely intuitive. My spirit guides and angels send me messages all the time. I am grateful for divine guidance. My mind is clear and all knowledge is available. I awaken my consciousness. I am calm. I am at peace. The same thing I told you with this card and these cards. Earlier only I said that you need to talk to yourself and see the same message you got from the angels. That you are extremely intuitive. You have to sit with yourself. You have to talk to yourself. You have to converse with yourself. Then only you can get all your answers. So the stone for this week is azurite and dolomite also. That, as I said, that two cards came for you. Do you want to improve and trust your intuition? Activate your third eye and exercise your sensory gifts. You receive messages from the divine all the time. It is now time to notice the signs, interpret them, and use the higher guidance to create ease in your life. Everything is given in this card. Whatever I told you, that you have to sit, you have to relax, you have to talk to yourself. Even though this card is also saying the same, that you have to look within, not outside. Okay? And the other card, dolomite. First, let me read the message from angels. Okay. Archangel Gabriel, I relax my body, mind, and spirit to meditate regularly. Great ideas are constantly flowing into my mind. It is fulfilling to follow through on creative thoughts and manifest my reality. I take enthusiastic action. I am productive. Have you wanted to do something creative? Are you feeling artistic? Let your inspiration flow and generate your insight into manifest reality. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be a nice meal, a pretty garden, an amazing photograph, or some swing project. Regardless, now is the time to produce it. It will bring you fulfillment and purpose. Meditate, meditate, meditate. If you don't want to meditate, at least sit with yourself and talk to yourself. Your cards are saying that, saying this only, my dear. Start talking with yourself. Start analyzing your soul. So that's all for the first week of October. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care.